Here's a step-by-step walkthrough of a lead generation ad on Facebook targeting business owners, B2B. So we're being transparent here. This is our Ready Media ad account, April 1st through April 28th. And what I wanted to show you guys is this ad specifically. So we have generated 14 leads for $31 a lead, B2B, which in my opinion is pretty fantastic. So let's see why this one is being successful. So first things first, what I want to walk you through. So to give you some context, we are targeting contractors, whether it's remodeling, roofers, renovators. We're targeting those type of businesses within that industry specifically. We'll start with the creative. So as you can see in the creative itself, here's me, and it is me with an old filter on it and written down on a whiteboard who we're calling out to, which is contractors, and then the Got Leads. Everybody's heard the Got Milk campaign. It's a famous, one of the best marketing campaigns of all time. And we kind of mimicked that. So not only it's who we're calling out to, I believe that it's pretty creative and pretty funny, and I think it stands out from some of the, should I say, kind of typical marketing agency ads that I would see. Got Leads, that's one of our jobs within our marketing company, is to generate qualified leads for our businesses that we work with. And it's a play on something that they might already understand. The second thing I want to point out is the headline, how contractors can get consistent business. It's something to where contractors can relate to, and it can hit a pain point, because if they're interested in any type of marketing for their business, or if this is a problem that we're trying to solve, this is a great headline to catch their attention for them to continue to read the ad, because that's really all we're trying to do. We are giving them a case study for them to use for their own business so that hopefully they can use it and make money. This is a great lead magnet. It's basically something that you can give away for free that is of value to them in exchange for their information. And a lead magnet has to be so good that they have to be wondering, damn, if this is what their free information is like, what is their paid service like, you know? So waiting on you to get more leads for your business has taken its toll on me. So we started off with that because naturally it correlates whatever the copy says to the picture and the creative. I'm old, it's taken its toll on me. I've aged considerably, my hearing has gotten worse, and I've even grown facial hair. But seriously, I'm 100% sure that our offer will change the game for your contracting business, whether it's remodeling, home building, commercial construction, etc. So we're calling out who we're trying to hit with these pain points. However, you might be saying, dude, there's no way they can guarantee me results. I've heard this story from marketing people 1,000 times. And what we're doing here is we're trying to hit the objection that they're probably already thinking of when they're reading this in the ad copy itself. This is great because we know that marketing guys can get a bad rap naturally. I think there's bad people in every profession or industry. It's sad, but we're trying to hit this objection that they already are thinking of, and it's a common objection, especially with business owners in the construction industry, because they get thousands of emails and calls and pitches similar to this, but we're trying to be a little different. Well, know this: all houses are built with a strong foundation, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do here. Build a strong foundation and relationship with you by front loading a ton of value up front, and we hope maybe, just maybe, you'll be able to make a lot of money with it. Is we're kind of correlating the house and building a foundation to hey guys, we are not trying to sell you anything. We want you to use this in this case study that we're offering for free for you to download, and we want you to use it and hopefully make money for your business. We believe in building qualified, predictable, and exclusive lead generation systems so you can focus on operations as you scale. I know that's a big problem with business owners that we work with, is that they don't have a consistent way to get business, and they don't track a lot of these things either. And we try to come in and we try to develop custom exclusive lead generation systems that are exclusive to them. I know a lot of marketing agencies, they'll run funnels or they'll run campaigns in a specific area, and then they'll just distribute the leads that they get to different roofing companies. We don't think that's the best way to go about it. We believe in building a brand and doing it the right way to get you custom qualified leads that are going to be better leads than what you'd get from doing something like that. Download our case study and copy our exact strategy we use with our construction partners for completely free. Again, this is our lead magnet that we're giving them. We hope you can take this information in the case study and blow up your customer acquisition. I know most marketing agencies promise a lot and deliver very little. Again, we're hitting that pain point of that objection. Oh, I've heard this before. You promised me this, but you deliver very little. Sadly, that is in case a lot of it. However, we aren't one of them. Our job is to get you as many qualified jobs and sales as you can possibly handle. That's their dream outcome. We're selling the vacation within the ad. And literally copy our strategy to see for yourself. So like, we want you to use this and make money. And then right here at the very end, P.S. if not now, I'll get you one of these days. Wink. When we retarget these people for our ads and they're seeing our stuff consistently, we're gonna get them within our funnel one of these days, hopefully. Business owners will be impressed, like, okay, you got me on this ad. You know, how can you guys generate profitable ads for me in my business? And I'm interested. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, seeing breakdown of ads, whether it's B2B or B2C, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I appreciate you watching, and hopefully you can take this information and learn how to run profitable ads for your business as well. So yeah, give it a like. We appreciate it.